Hi kids, how to practice cursive writing letter, L basis letter. Slanting line, then small curve, then standing line, L, then slanting line, small curve, standing line, then curve, small circle, B, L, B, next F, slanting line, small curve, then standing line, straight standing line, touch the red line, then curve, then small sleeping line, F, then H, slanting line, small curve, standing line, then down curve, H. Next K, slanting line, small curve, standing line, then small slanting line, curve, slanting line, K. Next T, slanting line, curve, standing line, then sleeping line, T. One more time. Slanting line, curve, standing line, then curve, L. Slanting line, curve, standing line, curve, small circle, B. Slanting line, curve, standing line, then curve, sleeping line, then slanting line, standing line, then down curve, slanting line, small curve, standing line, then slanting up, curve, down slanting line. Next, slanting line, then curve, standing line, curve, L, then sleeping line, T.